Gang, 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 love it.
What's going on, guys? So I'm a little sweaty right now, but I got something coming up pretty soon here. I'm pretty sure by the title of the video you'll be able to tell right away, but got the tires in the back. Alright, so I'm at America's Tire right now and just found out that my Michelin Pilot Sport 4S's, the rears, last for 13,000 miles. That's pretty crazy considering that's a ultra performance summer tire. Got the fresh rubber on. Now time to put it back on. Alright, so tires got installed, and as you can see, I've installed my diffuser. I'll link a video in the description of how to do so, since I didn't get any videos, but it's pretty simple. It's like 2 8 mils that you remove, and then you just pull. I'll link the video so you guys can see it, but it's pretty simple. I got this one off of eBay, super fucking cheap. You basically get what you pay for on this, but doesn't look half bad, honestly. Scoot back. I mean, you really can't tell that it's eBay shit either, but I mean, it's very thin material. Gotta go to AutoZone right now and get some double-sided tape, get good shit to make sure that it doesn't go flying off, honestly. But yeah, overall, I really like the look of it for the price I paid. I mean, it's not mode carbon quality, but I didn't pay mode carbon money either, so overall, really like it. Got some more videos coming out soon. I just want to get you guys back on track, or let you guys know that the M3 did have some really bald tires. One of them eventually went flat, but that those Michelin Pilot Sport 4S has lasted 13,000 miles, which is very impressive for an ultra high performance summer tire. That's by far the longest I've ever had, and these are supposed to be, you know, the most grippiest of them out right now. So really impressed, and I really do love these tires. Ever since I did get them, there was really no issues with grip except for probably the last 500 miles when, you know, the shit was completely bald. So before I end the video, I just wanted to do like a quick review on the Michelin Pilot Sport 4S's. So they lasted me 13,000 miles. I'm going to go over some of the information on the tire right here. It says tread grade is a 300, which is a pretty soft tread. I mean, it's not like a R-comp tread, but it's still pretty soft. I've had Continental Extreme Contact tires. I've had the Michelin Pilot Sport all-season 3s. That's the newest all-season. That's when I lived in Virginia, dealing during the wintertime with the cold and sometimes snow, so kind of had to get the all-seasons. Damn. I've had the Ventus, the Hankook Ventus V12s, I think that's what they're called. You know, those are all competitors to this tire, the Michelin Pilot Sport 4S. But none of them have lasted that long, and none of them had that great of grip for that long, at least. So I think the Ventus V12s lasted me the least. I think it was like something like anywhere from, I think it was like 8,000 miles. And I forget what the tread grade is on that. Then the Extreme Contact Continentals, those are good tires. They grip really well, but the tread life was, they started to wear down significantly around like 9,000 miles. They lasted me about 9,000 miles before I had to get the tires replaced. Let's see. And then the All Sports, those were supposed to last me 15,000 miles, and those lasted close to 19,000. So whenever I've had Michelin tires, the lifespan seems to be a lot longer than what the suggested tread life would be, which is a bonus because I mean, you're paying big money, and you'd expect for the performance that you're getting, for that to be where the money's going, is strictly just performance. But with Michelin, it seems like you're also paying for a tire that's going to last a lot longer, which is awesome. I mean, it really pays off to spend the extra, $30-$40, whatever it may be, per tire on these specifically. So never had a tire grip this well, especially with the F80 chassis. They're notorious for having traction issues, especially the non-comp ones. As soon as I got the new tires put on, I was fucking gunning it, and nothing slips at all. And that's how it was on the old tires that I just replaced. That's how it was until like 500 miles ago. About 500 miles ago, you could definitely tell like you're slipping a lot more. The extra power was definitely making the tread life shorter. I just want to say this: I don't baby my car at all. I hit back roads all the time. I'm constantly gunning it. It's got 70,000 miles on it, so I'm driving the shit out the M3. And for the tire to last that long, 13,000 miles, I think that's a testament to Michelin's quality control, and the product that they're putting out. So I really can't recommend those PS4S's enough. By far the best tire on the market. And it's not even just coming from me. I mean, you look at other reviews, and everyone's saying the same thing. And I'm not trying to hop on the train or the bandwagon here, but for personal experience, I don't think there's going to be another tire I go to unless it's the Sport Cup 2s. And if I get a Sport Cup 2, that's going to be strictly for the track, because I'm not trying to put out that type of money for a tire that's only going to last me, 5,000 to 7,000 miles. But that's it, guys. If you guys have any questions, comments, concerns, drop it in the comment section. I'll get back to it as soon as I can. If you guys have any suggestions on other videos that you'd like to see dealing with the M3 or the GTI, just go ahead and leave that in the comment section below. I got some couple back road drives with my buddy Omar, Simply Car Things, coming up pretty soon here. He's been wanting to hang out, and so have I. It's just been busy with work. And let's see what else. The GTI eBay build, probably going to get put on hold just because of the training. And then not only that, got a drive coming up for the M3 next week. We're going to take a trip up PCH1, another fun run. It's going to be pretty badass this time. There's going to be a few more nice cars coming with us. Should be the same crowd, though, coming out. So it'll be a lot more, I wouldn't say a lot more fun, because the last time was a blast, but it'll be just as fun. So keep an eye out for that, guys. If you're new to my channel, I make content about my F80 M3 and my eBay GTI build, which is kind of not becoming an eBay build. I'll kind of explain that in my next GTI video. But yeah, guys, I try to release videos weekly if I can. If not, 2 or 3 videos a week, that'd be like best case scenario. But yeah, go ahead and subscribe, like, share it. I don't care what you do. I just hope you guys enjoy my videos, and take it easy, guys.